Welcome to Sizer.net Reporting 4.0. Today we're going to take a few minutes to look at the new features in QuickQuery 4.0. Sizer.net QuickQuery is an ad hoc end-user reporting tool that works purely in the browser. No Java applet, no ActiveX control, no .NET client or installation of any kind, and non-technical users can easily build a variety of reports on the fly without having to go to a class or read a book and without help from IT. So we're going to look at a QuickQuery interface that shows us a list of fields. We can check and uncheck the fields we want to have in this report. We can go to the grouping, and in this case we're going to simply group by product category and subcategory. We can also set the column labels for friendly business names, and we can do an automatic distinct lookup. In this case I have 4 salespeople that I can choose from. We'll choose these 3 and add that to the filter. It automatically infers an in operator for me. We can choose others if we wish to for more exploration of the data. We can also format the fields and apply currency, percentage, and time date formats. And in fact, we can also do aggregate counts. Count distinct, count sum, average, min, max of the numerics in the report. Well, let's run this report and see what it looks like. So we're doing an ad hoc report on the fly against the data. Now this is going to return a nice row-column report with a logo and the color formatting to match the logo. This can also go directly to Excel and PDF. In fact, we put a Direct to Excel button right up here. So if you take this into Excel, and a lot of users do this to work in a familiar tool in Microsoft Office, we're right in Microsoft Excel, where you can continue working with the data sets in Excel on your client. Let's look at another use of QuickQuery with parameters. In this case now, we realize that because QuickQuery is very easy to use, people will use it against large data to really take a look at and explore what they can see in large data sets. So to encourage a skinnied down data set return, we put a parameter panel on it. Now we can construct these parameter panels carefully to encourage or even force single value data selects, not allowing an end user to select all. But the whole point here is to allow them to look at a large data set with the full function and power of the ad hoc nature of QuickQuery, but without having to suffer a huge data set return. So we've chosen 2 salespersons. And this time now, when we look at the columns tab of the QuickQuery ad hoc tool, and we do an automatic distinct lookup of salespeople, it's actually limited just to the 2 people that were chosen on the parameters tab. And in fact, all the data filters will be limited automatically in the same way. Now this report is going to be a special report that's also new in 4.0 called a summary report. And when we run this report, it's going to give us an aggregate level report, which is very fast, of not the detail, but the aggregates at a group level. So here we have a drill down report now done in QuickQuery with a single mouse click. We can count unit sales quantities by product category and by product subcategory. And we have a nice simple chart that shows us these numbers as well. And as we look at the Select Formatting tab, we're going to find that we do have the variety of simple formatting choices we've come to expect in QuickQuery, where we can choose to have a pie chart, a bar chart, or a column chart, for example, or apply template formatting. And in fact, if this summary level report is taken directly to Excel, the drill down nature is preserved in Microsoft Office. So that's a very quick tour of the new Sizer.net 4.0 QuickQuery features. If you would like more information, go to our website, Sizer.com, click on the Products tab, and we have product sheets and FAQs available. Thank you.